Do you have a big event coming up or maybe a job interview? Those kind of situations can make us feel apprehensive, and essential oils can help support confidence when you need the extra boost. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth, and I teach people how to use essential oils. And today I'm going to talk about Simply Earth's Essential Oil Blend, Liquid Luck. This essential oil blend can help boost your confidence, and in this video I'm going to tell you what's in it, how to use it, and make sure you know how to use it safely. This blend is made up of amyris, cassia, hoewood, and orange essential oil. These oils come together that make a blend that smells perfect for fall. It's got notes of cinnamon and sweetness, and the aroma can help you feel more confident to get things done. Amyris essential oil has a grounding and calming aroma with some light vanilla notes. Cassia smells kind of like cinnamon, but it's sweeter. Its energizing aroma can help you get over those jitters. Hoewood essential oil is floral and woody smelling. It blends really well with these oils to make a really grounding effect. Last but not least is orange essential oil. This oil has an uplifting and energizing scent. In some studies, it has been shown to help reduce stress. Here are some ways to use Liquid Luck Essential Oil Blend. My favorite way to use it is in a diffuser for its uplifting and empowering aroma. This is a favorite blend of Simply Earth users, and they love using it in their diffuser. Another great way to use this blend is in cleaning recipes. The oils in this blend have natural cleaning properties that are great in any DIY recipe. So let's make sure you know how to use this blend safely. Liquid Luck Essential Oil has some irritating oils in it, so be sure to dilute it at a 3% dilution rate or less to avoid those irritating properties. We recommend using this blend with kids aged 10 and up. Kids under that age can become irritated by the oils in this blend. Both topically and diffusing it can cause irritation with kids. Dogs and cats may also find this blend irritating, so if you're using this blend, make sure to leave the door open so your pet can leave if the aroma disturbs them. You're gonna love this sweet smelling fall essential oil blend that can help empower you to get things done. To learn more about essential oils, subscribe to these videos. Thanks for watching.